Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is again about Cognizant internship and CSD. So as you all know, I've already told that I have completed my internship already and I have got the successfully completion email as well, asking me like how the internship happens, what are the different stages, what type of questions are asked, how the exams are conducted, everything. So there are many points. Okay, so this is like my internship was almost 4 months long. So you will be there are many points there. I have summarized that there are 10 points, so I will be speaking 5 of them in this video, and I will make a separate video of the latter 5 in the next video. Okay, and when you will be joining the company for internship or CSD, whatever, before few days, like 1 week or 10 days like that, you will get a call about like, is your location okay for you, or you are going to join that day. Yeah, so is it okay with you, like that. And after that you will be getting your BGV verification. From the BGV verification portal you will be getting some documents. Okay, and you will have to carry that documents on the first day of your internship to the office. Okay, you will have to print it and carry it to the center where you are going to get on board. And for the first week or first 5 working days, there will be a orientation program. Okay, so there will be like some basic sessions about company working culture, office culture, dress code, and how to write emails and all, what to contact for what, like how you will be getting your leaves and to whom you have to contact for what details. These type of things will be done in the induction period. And for the next thing, they will also tell you in the introduction period already about the next phases. So there, for me, there was 2 phases in the training. For some there might be 3 phases. For phase 1 there will be a basic training. For everyone it is almost same. Okay, so some things are getting changed from based on domain to domain, but for mostly this is same. So domain you will also get after the introduction period is completed. You will get your domain mail from company. Okay, so company will give you one Outlook mail as well. So there you will be getting all information from the Cognizant authority. So they will give you domain there, and after getting your domain you will be getting your first phase 1 training links, like from where you have to access these. So basically these are Udemy courses mostly. Okay, and one trainer will be given with you, so you will have to do the courses. They will be given practice problems. You will have to practice those problems, and if there is any inconvenience or anything you cannot understand or cannot practice enough, then you have to talk with your trainer. So the trainer will be taking sessions every day for 1 or 2 hours. So you will have to inform him or her about the problems you are facing, and they will help you regarding that. Okay, so this is the phase 1 training. So after phase 1 is completed, there will be, for phase 1 there will be separate videos. Like for us it was Java, HTML, CSS, and some cloud based trainings as well. Okay, for some it will be SQL, for some it might be Python as well. Okay, so these are the basic things. And for Java you will have to learn the Java collections as well, because the questions in the exam will be mostly from Java collections. So I will come to that part later. Okay, so after clearing phase 1 there will be an exam. Like after completing, there will be one ICT, and if you complete the ICT you will be eligible for your phase 1 qualifier exam. And if you get more than 70 marks in the qualifier, then you will be passed, and then you will be going to phase 2. But what happens if you do not pass? So it is the questions and the guarding system is very much strict in some locations. Okay, so for me, like few of my batchmates could not pass it at one go, the qualifier. Because the questions were a bit harder for us. So they got a mail from company, or their coach informed them that sorry, you could not continue because you could not qualify, or you could not get the 70 marks milestone. So you will be converted to CSD. Okay, so the internship guys who could not clear the qualifier, they got converted to CSD, and now they are waiting for their CSD starting. Okay, I don't know what will happen if you could not pass the qualifier in CSD as well, because I think that they will again call you after few more months again. Okay, so try to read, and you will pass easily if you read every day. Okay, if you just do basic studying, you will pass easily. And just practice the questions already given to you. For practicing, you have to practice them well. Okay, so and now if you get again delayed in your joining, will be again delayed. Okay, so it is already getting delayed joining again and again. So if you could not pass, then it will be delayed once more. So just try to learn fast and to practice more and more, and just give your 100%, you will pass easily. Okay, there's nothing like very much, not, it's not very much difficult. So if you be consistent and read, you will pass, don't worry about it. Okay, so if you pass phase 1 exam, then you will move to phase 2. I will talk about phase 2 in the next video. Okay, so after so there is some questions about the stipend as well. Okay, so stipend is not given month basis. Okay, it is given week basis. Suppose your first phase, that is before qualifier, you have 5 months of 5 weeks of training. Okay, or 6 weeks. So for each week they will give you 3,000 rupees. Okay, and there will be a 10% tax deduction from that. So so if your qualifier is after 5 weeks, okay, so 5 weeks, 5 into 3,000, 15,000, and then 10% tax deduction, that is 1,500. So you will get 13,500, something like that. Okay, that's how the stipend is getting calculated. And if and only if you pass the qualifier, only then you will get your money. Okay, if you do not pass, you will not get any money. You have to pass, only then you will get the stipend. At least that was for our case. Okay, for after the yeah, there is one question like, what is the exam pattern, how it comes. So in exam there will be some MCQs, okay, and some coding questions. And if you have SQL in your phase 1, then there will be some SQL questions as well. Okay, and the overall score, you have to get more than 70% to pass, to go to the next stage. You have to get more than 70%. So the MCQs will have the different weightage, and the codes will have 100 marks each, and so that's the SQLs. And in the codes, like the main body will be written, there will be some functions, like functions we have to write, but the main body of the code, that is the main function and all, that will be given to you. Just the empty functions will be there, like they will be giving you the instructions, like what this function does, what it takes as input, what it does inside, and what it returns. So you will have to make the functions like that. For the coding part, for SQL part, they will give you table and schema. They will ask you to give some output. They will give you the sample output like in that as well. So now from that you can make it. Okay, so that is all about the part 1 of the video. Okay, I'm checking just if there is something more. Orientation is done, phases of training is done, first phase I have done, exam pattern done, stipend done. Okay, so I will be taking you to the next video, and there I will be taking about the phase 2. But if you do not clear phase 1, you will not get the progression to phase 2. Okay, and there is only one chance for this qualifier of the phase 1 exam. Like if you in the first chance, if you fail, it is done. Okay, and there you will not get another chance for the first or the phase 1 qualifier exam. So give it your best. That's it. Goodbye.